This here is the XTM TTF 40 litre fridge freezer.
It features a digital display, reversible side opening lids, molded carry handles, a removable wire basket, and integrated tie-down points. You can pack up to 47 standard cans into this fridge and keep them ice cold with a temperature rating that goes all the way down to minus 20 degrees. The 40 litre TTF fridge is super versatile with plenty of cool room for those weekends away. It comes standard with a 12/24 volt power cable, which can be plugged into a battery box or straight into your car. If you want to use it at home, a 240 volt cable can be purchased separately. For added peace of mind, this fridge is backed with a 2-year warranty. You can also purchase an insulated cover for this fridge.
If you're looking for a versatile fridge freezer that won't break the bank, check this one out today.